What's up guys, it's Kevin from K Squared Fitness, and today I'm going to be breaking down the box squat. Alright guys, so key points of performance as we're getting into an exercise that's trying to work you to getting your back squat so that you can get stronger, strengthen your core, all that good stuff. It's the box squat. So anytime we talk about squats, always remember the first thing that we're trying to establish is from the toes, they're slightly turned out, and then we are externally rotating from the feet, the knees never coming in, but locking them in from the floor so that way your glutes are turned on. And if you just practice doing that, you'll actually feel the difference with your glutes on. So one of the reasons why we're doing the box squat is you don't have the adequate mobility to get into a good hips below knee squat, and we're just trying to work and encourage you to build up the confidence to get your hips below your knees. So this box is actually a little higher than it should be for me. I want you to have yours, if possible, where you're getting your hips below your knees, but this is as low as my box go. So it's a little higher, but that's okay. As we break down the squat, from the top, always both feet under to stand it up. Got the box at an angle so that I can get wide. Push the knees out. I'm pulling the shoulders down. The stomach is locked in. Exhale, drive it through. So from the top, shoulders down, squeeze the core, driving the knees out, never letting the knees come in and staying soft here, being intentional with the hips, exhale, driving it through. Your biggest tendency is going to be as you get heavier, typically the box squat, you're able to have more weight, is that when you stand up, the knees are going to want to come in. Don't let that happen. We're trying to strengthen the glutes and build your confidence so that when you get down to the back squat, you feel comfortable going down and strong and safe. That's how to do the box squat. Get out.